Hi friends, helping each other. Are you doing this? I definitely do for you. Whenever I post a video or write under video, okay? So, helping each other is our purpose in life. We are here for that. We are here to serve one another. Why is that? Because everyone have a unique specialties about himself, which only he can do the best he can. And because we are many people in the planet, and everyone knows something about one stuff, it's nice to share with everyone that everyone can have everything. So yeah, and this also puts you in a love vibration when you help others. And also, if you believe it or not, your good energy which you give to anyone, it comes back to you in the same vibration as you give it. So it can come from any direction. It doesn't matter. You need just to accept it. Just say thank you, okay? And this could be for any kind of help or stuff. That doesn't matter. It's the same for everything. If you want to have the easiest life, well, the easiest, but if you want for others will help you, you definitely need to help everyone who is asking you for a favor, because then you will have all doors open for you every time you will need it. So I don't know if you were raised in this way to serve others, but you can definitely put more effort in this and be better and better person, and you will see the benefits of it. Because as a collective we were not raised like that, but I was. Yeah. So yeah, if there's something which I don't remember, maybe, no. If you want to read something more about this, I've also written something for you in the description. You are welcome to read. Thank you very much for being with me. Please share and subscribe to This Is My Love. Ciao, ciao.